Number 6 is a squared minus 36. For a squared minus 36, it's a difference of squares, right? The left side is a difference of squares. There are two sides, two terms. And this polynomial on your left is a difference of squares in the form a squared minus b squared. And if it's a difference of squares, the factors can easily be obtained by getting the square root of the first and the last. Say a squared. What are the factors of a squared, or what's the square root of a squared? It will be a. Simply divide 2 by 2 to get 1, a raised to 1, which is a. Right? So a. How about the square root of b squared? B. That's plus b minus b. So our factors for a squared minus 36 will be in that form, a plus b, a minus b. We simply get the square root of a squared and 36. What's the square root of a squared? A. All right. How about 36? Square root of 36? Square root 6. Right? 6 times 6 equals 36. That will be plus 6 minus 6. And that's equal to 0. Now let us solve for a by setting its factor to 0. We have a plus 6 equals 0, or a minus 6 equals 0. It is minus 6, minus 6. Of course, we can cancel 6 now, and then a would be negative 6. How about the other one? This is plus 6 and plus 6 both sides. Bring down a, negative 6 plus 6, cancel each other out. So the sum is 0, 0 plus 6, 6. So what's our solution set here? It would be negative 6, positive 6. Number 7, you have 25y squared equals 49. We know that this one is not in standard form because the right side is 49. We have to rewrite this in such a way that the right side is 0. So for 25y squared equals 49, we can get rid of 49 by subtracting both sides by 49. And we have 25y squared minus 49. You cannot subtract this two because these are unlike terms. So we simply copy 25y squared minus 49. And that will now be equal to 49 minus 49, 0. And the result here is a difference of squares. 25y squared minus 49 equals 0. Since this is a difference of the squares, that means that we can factor it by getting the square roots of the first and the last term. What are these two factors? Let's see. Let's write it. Let's look at 25y squared. So what's the square root of 25? 5. How about y squared? Y. So we have 5y, 5y here. Next up, 49. Square root of 49. 7. So we have plus 7 minus 7 equals 0. And then we solve for each equation after setting its factor to 0. We have 5y plus 7 equals 0, or 5y minus 7 equals 0. Solve for y now. What do we have? Minus 7. Minus 7 here. Just to get rid of our 7. Bring down 5y. 0 minus 7. Negative 7. Now we divide this by 5. Y is equal to negative 7 over 5. And now for 5y minus 7, we add both sides by 7 to get rid of negative 7. So that means we have 5y equals 7. Divide both sides by 5. Y is 7 over 5. So what's our solution set in this case? Our solution set would be the set negative negative 7 over 5 and 7 over 5. I mean, or 7 over 5.